Hi, I'm Sean, your Get Set Up guide. Have you ever considered making extra income hosting on Airbnb? Have you ever been to an Airbnb? I went to an Airbnb in Maine a couple of years ago and it was fabulous. The hosts were spectacular. I highly, highly recommend it. Hosting your house on Airbnb can bring in lots of extra income depending on where you're located and how much room you have to rent. We're going to have two sessions. A session number one, you're going to learn all of the features, how it works, how to interact, creating the calendars and the house rules. You definitely need house rules, registration with the city, and other things like that. In the session two, you're going to learn photo tips and understand the ranking and how great customer service brings great reviews. And if you get a bad review, how to handle the review. If you would like to learn about making more money on Airbnb, come visit our class.